Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over X.Ai Doge. This is a brand new token that just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Obviously this has to do with Elon Musk's new project here, his new company, whatever you want to call it. Mixed with Doge. Of course, everybody loves Doge, including Elon. So this token just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Xai Doge just finished their pre-sale. It was a public pre-sale. They had 135 investors contribute to this pre-sale. Hard cap was set at 100 BNB, and they completely sold out 100 BNB worth of tokens. The name of the token is X.Ai Space Doge. Ticker symbol is Xai Doge. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of, that is 1 quadrillion tokens, 350 trillion for pre-sale, 174.93 trillion for liquidity. They do have a full audit. So they were audited by ACE Audits, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a full KYC, which means their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have a Telegram at Xaidoge BSC official. They also have a Twitter at Xaidoge BSC, and their official webpage is xai-doge.com. So it says, unleash the power of Xai Doge, fueled by Elon Musk's recent AI company and empowered by Dogecoin rewards. So if you don't know the history of the company, the new AI company is Elon Musk obviously has an issue with runaway artificial intelligence. Anything past like GPT-4 and certain things having to do with AI where it's not controlled. He has an issue with that, and so he used to be a part of OpenAI. I believe he has nothing to do with that anymore, and it used to be a non-profit, and now it's for-profit, and there's all these different, all these things that are bad according to him now, and so now he's not only competing, but trying to do better, ethically, I guess, for the world with AI. Anyways, that's what X.Ai is going to be. His own new company. I'm sure it'll, do very well since like he's, well versed in AI with Tesla and everything else. So empowered by Dogecoin rewards. So you get 4% Dogecoin rewards, low tax of 5%. In the future, Xai Doge will be powered by AI technology. So by the way, this has nothing to do with Elon though, this token. Like Elon didn't endorse this token or anything. This is just someone's meme token. Yeah, and I'm sure they say that somewhere, hopefully in a disclaimer. So KYC audited, BSC trending, AVE trending, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap fast track, 50% of the supply burnt, huge worldwide marketing campaign, low starting market cap, no team tokens, contract renounced on launch. So according to their token metrics pie chart here, 43.3% of the tokens get burnt. 35% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.49% go to liquidity, and 4.2% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale, and it says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, you can find tokenomics, roadmap, a link to buy on PancakeSwap, contact them, team information. So you get Dogecoin rewards. So get ready for the ultimate meme token revolution with X.Ai Doge, the future of cryptocurrency powered by AI technology. Our innovative token rewards you with Dogecoin, offering an exciting and profitable way to invest in the world of crypto. But that's just the beginning. With the cutting-edge AI technology, X.Ai Doge is poised to become the most advanced and futuristic token on the market. Join our community to earn whitelist spots and get ready to sleep in Dogecoin rewards. X.Ai Doge is a decentralized token with unique earn Dogecoin mechanisms with a fast-growing community of holders. Ensure a promising investment opportunity for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. The future of cryptocurrency is here. So you can read a full white paper. They have a white paper linked on their page. So there's a 5% tax. So basically 4% of that is Dogecoin rewards, 1% marketing. That's not a bad tax at all. So most likely if you do buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 5%. You can check out a PooCoin chart. They have a link for that. Now, the roadmap here. Phase 1 is socials creation, then website creation, whitelist presale on pinksale.finance. Now, I thought it said public, so I'm not sure. It was either a whitelist or a public presale. But anyways, audit, KYC, they got that. Marketing, launch on PancakeSwap, so that's kind of where they're at right now. Then DexView trending, BSC trending, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, more calls with Telegram communities, introduce new AI bots in phase 3, chat bots in the community, art creation AI bots for NFTs, other essential AI bots, NFT minting dApps, phase 4, 10,000 holders, full CertiK audit, big influencers, huge hodler giveaways, YouTube marketing being pushed. So basically their utility is going to be AI bots, all sorts of different types having to do with, like the regular ones you always hear with the AI crypto. Now let me click on white paper, see if it actually works here. Okay, so it does look like their white paper does work, and it's got some cool pics on there. Let me see if there's anything different than they actually... Yeah, so for 1 quadrillion. No, basically almost the same information. A lot of, it's a lot of meme tokens have the same information on their webpage as their white paper. I don't even see what the point of a white paper is if that's going to be the case. But anyways, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.